Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Netflix with the account owner credentials. This is required to access billing. Once signed in, make sure you know how you pay: card, PayPal, or phone carrier, because cancellations can differ by payment type. Open a desktop browser when possible, since the web interface shows full account controls. Mobile app versus web can change the flow. Now navigate directly to your profile and get ready to open account settings so you can proceed to membership controls. You should now be in account settings, locate membership and billing. It lists your plan and next billing date. Click cancel membership and follow the on-screen prompts. Netflix asks to confirm and may offer to pause instead. Make sure to read dates so you understand access until the billing cutoff. If your subscription is billed through Apple, Google Play, or a mobile carrier, do not cancel inside Netflix. Instead, open that provider's subscriptions page and cancel there, because Netflix won't control those payments. Once done, you will receive an email confirming cancellation. Save it as proof and verify the final access date so you know when streaming stops. Make sure to remove saved payment methods from the account or uninstall the app if you prefer a clean break. This prevents accidental renewals. If you expected a refund or see no cancel option, contact your payment provider or Netflix support right away. This troubleshooting step resolves billing channel issues that block in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.